Distilled water provides some of the purest water you can consume. But with all the options springing up on the market, which one to choose? Which provides the best value? Our experts have researched and reviewed top-rated water distillers on the market. We'll explain the differences between each model to find you the best option and get healthier drinking water. As always, we'll include additional information and our exclusive direct discount prices in the description box below. Let's dive in. Starting with our top overall choice is the Waterwise 4000 Water Distiller. Being in the water purification market for more than 4 decades, Waterwise has always been a trusted name in water filters. Water produced through steam distillation in combination with carbon filtration is some of the purest water available. With distillation, steam rises and enters the condensing coil. Cool air is passed across the coil to convert the steam back to pure distilled water, and then percolates through the coconut shell carbon filter and is collected. The process removes at least 99% of impurities, including fluoride. The Waterwise can produce 1 gallon of 100% steam distilled water in just 4 hours, and it'll automatically shut off after each 1 gallon cycle. That means you're getting 6 gallons of water per day, which makes this product ideal for households with 3 to 4 people. The Waterwise 4000 consists of a stainless steel boiler and a BPA-free borosilicate glass. It's also stylish enough to be displayed on your countertop, although you can easily store it inside your cabinets. Some of the pros include a 1-year warranty for repairs and replacements, effectively removes at least 99% of impurities including fluoride, produces 1 gallon of water in 4 hours or 6 gallons in 24 hours, and automatic shut-off after a 1 gallon cycle. The cons? Slightly more expensive than some alternatives. The best FDA-certified option, the COZ 1 gallon water distiller. If you're looking for the purest possible distilled water from the best home water distiller, look no further than the COZ water distiller. This FDA-certified distiller uses a powerful 750-watt heating element to rapidly heat and distill over 0.25 gallons per hour and up to 6 gallons per day. The included activated carbon filtration system with food-grade stainless steel outlet removes up to 99% of total dissolved solids, VOCs, and a broad range of other harmful contaminants, so all that's left behind is the purest water possible. Look inside and find the entire steam chamber, including the dome and condensing coil. Water distills into a premium glass water pot, and all the plastic parts are food-grade and BPA-free, while the exterior is constructed with 304 stainless steel for maximum durability. The COZ features a single-button startup with automatic shutoff. The unique integrated fan accelerates the condensation process and protects the machine from overheating. Plus, it's easy to maintain with the COZ proprietary detergent to keep it sparkling clean. With setup in under 10 minutes, this water distiller is precisely what your home needs to provide the purest, freshest distilled water. The pros are its 1-year limited warranty from the manufacturer. It distills 1/4 gallons per hour, FDA certified, and it has built-in overheating protection. The cons are that the water pot uses glass that is a little thin. Best portable option, the Little Creek stainless steel water distiller. The Little Creek boasts the best stainless steel construction that requires no electricity. The design is simple: 3 vertical stacking pots and a built-in high-temperature silicone drain hose makes for easy distillation and water extraction. Capable of producing up to 1 quart of distilled water per hour, the stainless steel water distiller works on all stovetops, including induction, electric, ceramic, and gas. When it's time to distill your water, pour the water you want to be distilled in the bottom pan. Then add cooling water in the top pan to create condensation. When the water boils, steam rises towards the collector pan. The steam cools and becomes clean, pure distilled water. Because it requires no electricity and is easily portable, this water distiller is perfect for emergency preparedness. It can be used over a fire or on any cooktop when clean distilled water is a top priority. The sleek design measures 11.75 inches deep by 15.5 inches high by 13 inches wide and weighs a mere 8 pounds. The best part is it's backed by Little Creek's fantastic 5-year warranty. The pros? Its multi-use design and multi-fuel capabilities. It's perfect for emergency preparedness. 100% non-toxic construction and distills 1 quart an hour approximately. The cons? Requires long boiling times to achieve significant water condensation. Best UL safety certified model, the Megahome Countertop Water Distiller. Megahome has been providing consumers with in-home water distillation options since 1992. If sustainability and reducing your carbon footprint matter, then the Megahome Countertop Water Distiller is your go-to water distiller. It's capable of producing an impressive 1 gallon of pure steam distilled water in 5.5 hours. Performance-wise, the distiller reduces 99.9% of impurities, eliminates toxins, and leaves only the great-tasting, healthy water behind. The Megahome is constructed with a 304 stainless steel interior and exterior so that your water never comes into contact with plastic. Simply fill the boiling chamber and press the start button. When the water is perfectly distilled, the unit turns off automatically, leaving distilled water in the glass collection bottle with a removable lid for easy pouring. As an extra layer of defense, it also includes 6 activated charcoal filters for when chlorine or other toxins are present, and the filters remove the toxins during the distillation process. Every Megahome distiller comes with a 1-year warranty and top-notch customer support that you'd expect from an appliance company that's been around for over 20 years. The pros are it's constructed with 304 stainless steel interior and exterior, distills 1 gallon per every 5.5 hours, includes 6 activated charcoal filters for VOC removal, industry-leading warranty and customer support. The cons? It's slightly more expensive than some alternatives. Best budget option is the Vevor Water Distiller. If you're looking for a quality countertop distiller on a budget, look no further. This 4-liter distiller comes with a 750-watt heating plate that quickly distills 1 liter of water per hour. It also effectively removes 99% of VOCs and filters other remaining contaminants, so you're left with the freshest drinking water in the convenience of your home. The Vevor is constructed with food-grade 304 stainless steel, including the internal tank, inner cap, and water outlet, so that your water never comes into contact with plastic. Furthermore, the finished distilled water ends up in a thick glass holding pot that is durable and crack-resistant. Featuring a unique dual-temperature display, the Vevor Distiller is very easy to operate. For added safety, it is thermostatically controlled with automatic shutoff to avoid overheated when the temperature exceeds 226 degrees Fahrenheit. When you purchase the Vevor, it comes with a host of useful accessories. It comes with 3 replaceable carbon filter packages for added purification, and a bottle of fruit cleaning powder for easy cleaning of the internal tank. The pros? Constructed with 304 stainless steel interior and exterior. It distills 1 liter per every hour. It includes extra carbon filters and cleaning powder, and the digital dual temperature display for easy operation. The cons? Customer service is not as good as some competitors. Don't forget to check the description box below for more filtration information and exclusive Freshnss discount prices. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell so you don't miss a single video on your favorite products. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.